Welcome to our channel VD Max Academy. In this video we are going to see about the problems in harmonic function in complex analysis. First one, prove that u equal to x square minus y square and v equal to y divided by x square plus y square are harmonic functions of x comma y but not harmonic conjugate. They are asked to prove u and v are harmonic function but not harmonic conjugate. First we need to prove that u and v are harmonic function. First we are taking given condition, that is u equal to x square minus y square, v equal to y divided by x square plus y square. First thing we need to prove that u and v are harmonic function. For that there is two condition. First one is dou square u divided by dou x square plus dou square u divided by dou y square equal to 0. This is the condition for u to prove harmonic. This is the condition for v to prove harmonic, that is dou square v divided by dou x square plus dou square v divided by dou y square equal to 0. These two conditions are called as Laplace equation. We need to prove this Laplace equation for proving u and v are harmonic function. First thing, dou u divided by dou x. On differentiating partially u with respect to x, the answer is 2x. On differentiating again with respect to x, it becomes 2. Since u value is x square minus y square, y is treated as constant, so it becomes 0. The x square term becomes 2x. It is in the format of x power n into x power n minus 1. In the place 2 into 2 minus 1, it becomes 2x. This is the rough work how we got here 2x. And again differentiating this term, we get 2. Then we differentiate with respect to y. That is dou u divided by dou y. On differentiating with respect to y, the x term is treated as constant, so it becomes 0. Y square value becomes minus 2y. On differentiating this again with respect to y, it becomes minus 2. So our condition is dou square u divided by dou x square plus dou square u divided by dou y square equal to 2 minus 2. It becomes 0. So therefore our condition dou square u divided by x square plus dou square u divided by y square equal to 0. So we can say that u of x comma y satisfies Laplace equation. Since u of x comma y satisfies Laplace equation, therefore we can say that u of x comma y is harmonic. We have proved one condition. Next we want to prove the y conditions. That is, we want to prove that y of x comma y is harmonic. To prove that, the given value of y is y equal to y divided by x square plus y square. It is in the format of u divided by v. On simplifying this, we get u dash v minus v dash u divided by v square. This is the formula for u by v format. On here u value is y and v value is x square plus y square. On differentiating u dash with respect to s, it becomes 0. With respect to x, u dash value becomes 0 and v dash value becomes 2x. On substituting the values in the formula, first one is u dash value is 0, so it becomes 0 minus, and v dash value is 2x into u value is y divided by x square plus y square whole square. Then our value dou v by dou x. Our dou v by dou x value is minus 2xy divided by x square plus y square whole square. This is our dou v by dou x equal to minus 2x divided by x square plus y square whole square. This is our x value, dou v by dou x value. Next we find dou square v by dou x square. This is our dou v by dou x term is equal to minus 2xy divided by x square plus y square whole square. This is our dou v by dou x term. It is next we want to find dou square v by dou x square. This term we want to differentiate again with respect to x. It is again in the format of u by v. Here u value is minus 2xy and v value is x square plus y square whole square. We want to differentiate with respect to y. So u dash value is minus 2y and v dash value is 2 into x square plus y square whole power 1. And again this 2x square value becomes 2x. This is our v dash value. We substitute these values in the formula. It becomes minus 2y x square plus y square whole square. This is our v value minus. This is our 2xy. This is our 2xy is the simplification of this term, and into 2 into x square plus y square into 2x. Here y value is minus 2xy. I am writing this, and our v dash value is this. This is our u value, this is our v dash value. Our formula is u dash v minus v dash u divided by v square, u divided by v. Here this is the u value, this is the v dash value, this is the second term, divided by v square. Our v square term is x square plus y square whole power 4. This is our v square value. And simplifying this, minus minus becomes plus. 2y x square plus y square whole square minus minus becomes plus. 2 2 4 4 2s are 8. X into x becomes x square y into x square plus y square divided by x square plus y square whole power 4. On getting the term x square plus y square commonly outside, it becomes 2xy x square plus y square plus 8 x square y divided by x square plus y square whole power 4. This is the common term, x square plus y square. On cancelling this, it becomes minus 2y x square plus y square plus 8 x square y divided by x square plus y square whole cube. On multiplying this 2y inside the bracket, it becomes 2x square y minus 2y cube plus 8x square y divided by x square plus y square whole cube. On simplifying this term, this get minus 2y cube plus 6x square y divided by x square y square whole cube. This is our dou square v divided by dou x square term. On simplifying that 8 minus 2, it becomes 6. This minus 2y it comes in front, divided by x square plus y square whole cube. This is our dou square v divided by dou x square term. Next we need to find dou v by dou y. It is v value is y divided by x square plus y square. Here u value is y and u dash value is with the differentiating with respect to y, it becomes u dash value is 1 and v value is x square plus y square, and v dash value differentiating with the respect to y, it becomes 2y. This is the rough work, and substituting in the formula u divided by v, we get 1 into this 1 into our v value is x square plus y square minus, and v dash value is 2y and our u value is y into y divided by our v value is x square plus y square whole square, and this becomes x square plus y square minus 2y square divided by x square plus y square whole square. On simplifying this, it becomes dou v by dou y equal to x square minus y square divided by x square plus y square whole square. This is our dou v by dou y term, that is x square minus y square divided by x square plus y square whole square. This is then we want to find dou square v by dou y square. Next thing. Next we need to find dou square v by dou y square, that is dou by dou y into x square minus y square divided by x square plus y square whole square. This is our dou v by dou y term. We differentiate this again with respect to y. Then we get dou square v by dou y square. Here u value is x square minus y square and u dash value is with partially differentiating with respect to y, it becomes minus 2y. And our v value is x square plus y square whole square. And differentiating with respect to y, it becomes 2 into x square plus y square 2y. This is our u term, v term, and u dash term, v dash term. And substituting this in the formula, it becomes 2y. First term is u dash value. U dash value is minus 2y into v value is x square plus y square whole square. This is minus v dash value is 2y into 2 into x square plus y square into u value is, our u value is x square minus y square. This is our u value divided by v square value is x square plus y square whole square. And simplifying this, minus 2y x square plus y square whole square minus 2 into 2, it becomes 4y x square plus y square into x square minus y square divided by x square plus y square. This 2 it becomes 4. And taking the x square plus y square term commonly outside, it becomes 2xy x square plus y square minus 4y into x square minus y square. X square plus y square taking commonly outside divided by x square y square whole power 4. This term gets cancelled and divided whole cube it comes, and multiplying this 2y inside the bracket and 4y inside the bracket, it becomes minus 2x square y minus 2y cube minus 4y x square minus minus becomes plus 4y cube divided by x square plus y square whole cube. After multiplying this inside the bracket, it becomes like this. That is, then simplifying this two terms, it becomes, here y cube term is 4, it becomes 2y cube and minus 6x square y divided by x square plus y square whole cube. This is our dou square v divided by dou y square term. This is our dou square v divided by dou y square term, and therefore dou square v divided by dou x square plus dou square v divided by dou y square equal to, our dou square v divided by dou x square term is 6x square y minus 2y cube. Our dou square v divided by dou y square term is minus y cube plus y cube 2y cube minus 6x square y, and common the x square plus y square whole cube. This is the common term I am writing commonly in the denominator. On simplifying this, it becomes 0. Therefore dou square v divided by dou x square plus dou square v divided by dou y square. Here the value is 0. So v of x comma y satisfy Laplace equation. It satisfies the Laplace equation. So we can say that v is harmonic function. The second thing we want to prove that it is not harmonic conjugate. Second thing we need to prove that it is not harmonic conjugate. First, for harmonic conjugate there is two conditions. First one is dou u by dou x equal to dou v by dou y, and dou u by dou y equal to minus dou v by dou x. This is the condition for harmonic conjugate. But here we need to prove that it is not harmonic conjugate. For that, dou u by dou x value is 2x and dou u by dou y value is minus 2y. We have solved this before. Dou v by dou x value is minus 2xy divided by x square plus y square whole square, and dou v by dou y value is x square minus y square divided by x square plus y square whole square. This is our simplified term, and here we want to prove that here this both are equal for harmonic condition. First here we want to prove that it is not harmonic condition. These two values. Since both this value is not equal, dou u by dou x not equal to dou v by dou y, and in second condition, that is dou u divided by dou y not equal to minus dou v by dou x. Since both the condition are not equal, so we can say that u and v are, so we can say that the function u and v are not harmonic conjugate. Since it does not satisfy the harmonic conjugate condition, so we are saying that u and v are not harmonic conjugates. Next we see one more questions. For CSIR net exam, for part B type, we can see there will be one correct option, that is u and v are called harmonic conjugate function. U and v are called harmonic conjugate function. It satisfies u and v are harmonic function, and u plus iv is analytic. They are given four options. U and v are harmonic function, and u plus iv may not be analytic function. U comma v are harmonic function, u plus iv is analytic function. This is the four options they are given. They are said that u and v are conjugate harmonic function. It should be u and v are harmonic function, and u plus iv is analytic function. This is the correct option for this question. When u and v are said to be harmonic conjugate function, it should be first harmonic function and second it should be analytic. This is the correct option for the first question. This type of questions can be asked for CSIR net exam in part B. And second question is, if G is either a whole plane C or some open disk, if U from G to R is harmonic function, then they are given four options. U has a harmonic conjugate, U has no harmonic conjugate, U is not analytic. The fourth option is none. For this, the correct answer is U has a harmonic conjugate. This is the correct answer for this question. And third question is, a function is said to be a harmonic if dou square u divided by dou x square plus dou square v divided by dou x square equal to 0. And second option is dou square u divided by dou x square plus dou square u divided by dou y square equal to 0. And third option is dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou y equal to 0. And fourth option is dou v by dou x plus dou v by dou y equal to 0. For this, correct answer is B. Here the above function should be same. Here should be u. In denominator, the variable only different, that is x, y. Here they are given the u and v in different function. This is not the correct thing. For harmonic function, the condition is this only. Dou square u divided by dou x square plus dou square u divided by dou y square equal to 0. This is the correct condition for harmonic. In next video, we see part question having more than one correct option for part B, for part C for CSIR net exam.